Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went to Costco and I went and had a look around what am I going to do for my mukbang, right? So I come across these little tiny burgers and I thought, oh, so cute. And I thought, okay, I don't know what's in it. I thought I'll open it together so we can all, if you guys haven't even had them, they look beautiful. Nice little mini. Okay, so let me see. So it goes like this in rows. It goes like this. Okay, so I'll turn this around. Then you guys can see all the different burgers there is. Oh, okay. Starting from the front. I'll start that one. Okay, I'll see what it is. Okay, it looked like some seasoned chicken and a little bit of lettuce. And this one looked like, okay, let me have a look. maybe it'll help if I have a look over here. But I want to guess it. Okay, let me guess it. The writing's a bit small, I can't see it. Okay, this one, I think it's, I think it's pork. Pork and coleslaw. Excuse me. And then this one is salmon and lettuce. Okay. And this one, I like. It's like roasted capsicum. And this one is chicken again. You know what I'm thinking, guys? It looks pretty dry. Sorry, Costco. I'm going to get some like mayonnaise or something. Okay, guys. So I thought the burgers might be a little bit, not enough sauce, or not that I saw any sauce, but I was thinking it would be nice to have a little bit of sauce. I don't know, this one, no, this, I'll leave it. Just in case it didn't need it. But this one, I think, needed it. Okay, I thank the good Lord for the food that He has blessed me with and my family with, and, everything. So here goes the first bite. Okay, you guys get the first bite. Was it nice? So good. I'm going to drink, guys. It's lime cordial. Cheers. Nice. So good. Then I'm going to try this capsicum one as well. No. Yes, I get this capsicum one. It's pretty nice. So, this is a salmon one. Oh. So this is the salmon one, right? With a little bit of butter. Faye, me pepero here, man. Okay. There you go. Put that on there. See? Squash it down. I done a recording the other day. And it looked pretty dark. I don't understand it. Because the light looks a bit... I don't know. For all I know, I could have even forgotten to turn it on. Nice. You know what I'm thinking? This is a pulled pork one. I'm thinking, what? I'll get the capsicum, this one, see, and I put it together so I can taste, like the bomb diggy. See? Mangaya. Mangaya, man. See, try it out when you guys go and get one. Mangaya. Man. It's an off your book. Look at this one. And that's only capsicum. And then I'll just get all this chicken and put it on there. See? See? And this mayonnaise is garlic aioli. I love garlic aioli. Now, hello, where did my burger go? Gosh, is it this one? Okay. See, I'm all mixed up now. One thing I know, they're all food. So I'm not mixed up there. I saw on Facebook the UB40 is at Cook Island right now, Rarotonga. Yeah, thinking, oh, I would love to go to see UB40. And I saw them holding glass, glass of wine. So my question was, that red wine, Anyway, get back to my mukbang. Stop thinking about alcohol. But they made a prawn one too. Now this is the chicken and the capsicum one put together. I put together the capsicum and the pork one together, and that tasted good too. That's so good. Okay, if you have a party, right, and then you serve these to your people that's coming for a drink or something, and then you say, yeah, no burger, yeah, love it. Sound cosa for seconds. And then they look for me. I'm so eyeing in the kitchen, eating the rest of the. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, I saw some people, they have just started their channels. That's awesome, guys. And there's also starting to be a lot of Cook Islanders doing there too. Go on, cookies. But there's a lot of Samoans out there doing it. Yeah, yeah. I like it. I like it. And I'm very proud of you guys, you know that. Keep it up, please. And encourage, other family members to do it too. Yep. And like I said to you guys before, if you guys need me, I'll give you guys a little shout out. Just to help you guys out. And I hope that someone will come and see your channel and think, oh, this person's too good. I got to subscribe. But I tell you what, I went to Costco today, bro, to look for me some seafood stuff to do my mukbang. But when I asked for what I was looking for, I said, no, sorry, we don't have any today. And I thought, oh. Well. I love the salmon one too. Yep. Yep. Love salmon. Do you know the first time I tasted smoked salmon was on the airplane when I came to Australia in, let me say that again. When I came to Australia in 1985, Air New Zealand was serving something. I don't know if it was salad or what, and they had, like shaves of salmon. And I was thinking, what on earth is that? But when I tasted it, I thought, very nice. And guess what? I went to part of my shopping on the conveyor belt at Costco. And this guy goes, they're serving, the one at the till. He goes, oh, can I have your card, please? And I go, oh yeah, okay, sorry. So I get my card and I pass it to him. And then he gets the card and he goes, oh, thank you, sir. And then he went, that's how I started laughing. And I said, it's alright. I said, I don't blame you. I got sore hair. And he was going, oh, I'm really, really sorry. Really, really sorry. And I said, don't worry. I don't blame you. I got sore hair. And you know. And he kept looking at me like he was nervous. I was like, don't worry. Lucky I'm an islander. I just laugh on things like that. Yeah. That didn't worry me. He made an honest mistake. That's all it was. No, that's good. Yeah, so I wanted to do seafood today. No can do. Costco didn't have any. Oh, didn't have any of those giant crab necks. They're pretty cheap there if you got the right time, and they've marked them down. But you go to Woolworth, it's like oka. I mean, it's already oka at Costco. But if you go to Woolworth, it's extra oka. Oka. No, you go like this at Costco. Oka. But if you go to Woolworth and you see their price and you go, oka. Whapea. Fine. Can you believe that I starved for this? Starved. Right. I woke up at 8 o'clock, had a shower, got ready, went and took my son to the doctor's because he had wrecked his wrist and stuff and had a little chip in the bone. Yeah. And then we come home so I can do my mukbang. Yeah, boy. I bet if you get it. What does that mean? I'm slimming down? You think I'm slimming down? Oh. I'm dating with, having lunch with Bruce Springsteen. You know, back in the 80s when he was singing Born in the USA? Yeah. Pardon me. But I was born in Samoa. Very nice. Very nice. Good one, Costco. You know what, guys? A girl named Easter Wright. She just started her channel. I don't think she's been on that long. Neither have I. But she doesn't have that much subscribers. Okay, that's what I noticed. So, and she went to Samoa and stuff. So I thought to myself, I'm gonna give her a little shout out and ask my subscribers if they can go and please look at her channel, and if you like what you see, subscribe, do her some support, Polytube support, okay? And then there's this girl I noticed, she was commenting like nearly all my videos at one night. Her name is Ria Tuifua no tau. Sorry if I said your name wrong, but it's Ria or Raya Tuifua. Okay. Look, thank you so much. You know, you went to watch some of my old ones, and you was commenting quite a lot on them. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Do you know me? I'll watch my video, right? I'll watch it and then I'll upload it. I'll edit, upload, and then I really can't watch it again after that. I don't know why. Unless someone said something like, oh, blah, blah, blah. Then I just go and comment, right? But I can't watch it after that because I just think, I must bore myself. Actually, that's true. Oh my gosh. Let me tell you. I think, I watch everyone's and I'm wide awake, right? I'm wide awake. I'm watching this. It could go on for hours, me watching YouTube. But once I put my own one on, I watch, next minute. And I wake up The thing has stopped happening a long time ago. And I think I must bore myself. Oh, God almighty me. Stop it. Don't do that to yourself. Faye. Moi ia, fiera mei wai. Kasi lua kolu wha, rima ongo, tiku varu iwa sul. Se fulu peka sira ai. Api pelo e koe whai kau. Kasi lua kolu wha, rima ongo. Ongo, ia wala. Wala ia. Aringe ia. Ia da. Eli lunga le ongo. And I said 10. Did I say 10? What a liar. Yeah, okay. I stop calling myself liar. See? And I want to put myself to sleep, gosh. So, guys. So, I just want to say thank you very much for stopping by. Look, I ain't going to eat no more. You know why? Because I should have put the lamington I got from Costco. The lamington from Costco, guys. The best. P-E-S-T. Hey. Shh. Anyway, they are the best. Oh, la. So yummy. They're moist, they're yummy, they're spongy, they're yummy. Did I say it's yummy? Yeah. It's really, really yum. If you guys haven't tasted it, go grab you guys a container. It's the best. Okay. But when you go to Costco, right, you know, there's stuff that, you know, I think you can get cheaper. Hello, it's Costco. Where's the butter? Don't rip me off, woman. Whoever's making these burgers. I don't care if I get half of that cream like that. At least I've got something on. Oh, sad. See if I find it come here. Look at that. I don't know if this is pulled pork, but it looks a lot. Man, oh yeah. Over there, yeah, spread it out. I feel like a capsicum there. Capsicum. Do you know I love capsicum? You know, a long time ago, my husband and I, we went to the Otara flea market, right? Otara is in New Zealand, guys, if you don't know. It's this nice market. They used to be really, really awesome. That was like the only market around at that time. And then they opened up marijuana shop. Oh, I can't remember. Been that long ago. Anyway, so we got lined up and it's our turn to be served and we needed to grow some capsicum, right? I don't know. My husband was on a pretending for your garden green farm mood. And then we went to I got two bottom. Hey, I got two bottoms. Hey. Oh well, never mind. It looks like a McMuffin now, eh? So anyway, it was his turn to be served. And then the man goes, yeah, can I help you, brother? You know, because that's how they talk sometimes. And then my husband goes, yeah, I'd like 2 capsicum, please. I want one green one and one red one. And he cracked up. The man cracked up, and some people on the side were cracking up, and I was like, are you laughing at my husband or something? Yeah, anyway, they were cracking up, right? They were cracking up. And then the man goes, no, brother. The capsicum, if you leave, it comes out green, and if you leave it long enough, it will just turn red. And he goes, oh, you should have known that. But we didn't. I didn't even. I thought my husband was so clever asking for the red and green. Yeah, I don't know if cocoa or capsicum, cocoa red and green. It was funny though. It was funny. Yeah. Anyway, so when he gets on my nerves, I remind him, who's the smarter one out of us two? Me. Because I didn't tell the man I wanted a green and red capsicum. But we both went there and we both talked on the car like, okay, we're going to go there, we're going to get a red capsicum and a green one, right? Yeah, but we'll see how much they are. They might be too expensive. So that's our discussion. So we marched there, we think, oh, you know, and then we started talking. Not we, he. But the other couple beside him, they started laughing. I didn't get embarrassed, I just thought, oh well, you make mistakes. But, oh yeah, and his capsicum actually grew, you know? Yeah, one turned out red and one turned out green. So, and that's the story about our gardening that day. We went to Otawa Flea Market. You know what? That guy probably he probably never forgot us too. He probably told it to anyone that you know, whenever capsicum came up as conversation, it'll be, oh man, when I was selling my capsicum in Otawa Market, man, yeah, this big Islander guy came and he said, and he had a pretty wife beside him, and he said, can I have a red one and a green capsicum now? And then his wife said, you are the most cleverest. No. Okay, that's enough teasing my husband, okay? He made that mistake that one time, and one time only. And I agreed one time only too. Okay, guys, you know what? How many did I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 50. I ate quite a bit of fine. So, my son said to me, Mom, if there's any leftovers, you call me, okay? He's playing Fortnite right now. So I say he can have this lot, and his brother can have that lot. And anyway, guys, it's been nice hanging out with you. Thank you very much for stopping by to watch my channel, guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I can't take my mind off UB40 being in Cook Islands, though. Oh, I wish it was there. You know that Red Red Wine song, when it first came out, was so popular? And I was just on your little Moebi. Oh, that's the red stupid one that got me drunk and I fell off to sleep in the back of the car, and then I woke up and I was thinking, where am I? And I was over North Shore in Auckland. Because you know me, I'm from Auckland, but I was from the south. Yeah, so that's why I didn't know about the place. Okay. Thank you for watching, so I'll let you guys go, guys. And say love up. Don't forget, if you just started your channel and you need, you know, us Polytubes to help shout you out, you can come to me. I will shout you out. Or you can go to another Polytuber and ask. And I'm very sure that they will take the time to help shout you out and help bring your numbers of subscribers up. Okay, guys? See? Jeez, I am so clever right now. Just trying to look smart because of that capsicum story I just told you. Okay, whāloa sui fua. Have a good week. Okay, that's coming like tomorrow. Is it Monday today? Oh my gosh, am I so blondie or what? It's Monday today, guys. Okay, have a good week. Far out. Woo. I think it's just cordial. Oh, loa. Whasoi fua. Ka koe whakoi fo I sesi video wailoa. E alofa lesi. Usika yo makua. Yeah. Alu Faye lo you know, no ki ngā maloka mā, a waki whaki ngā ulu, ka kalo yaso uma, whawhitai, le atua i kaho, you know, about life, food, everything. Never forget to give thanks, guys. Wailua. And I'll see you guys on my next video, okay, guys? Look, it shouldn't be dark anymore. I've got both lights on and that light. Next minute, I'm going to have all lights right around me. Okay, and it's going to be those disco lights. Boom, boom, boom. Ka kite!